How to copy any video transcript in a few seconds. Search for the video. Begin by searching for the video whose transcript you wish to copy. Expand the description box. Once you find the video, click on the More or Show More button beneath the video to expand the description box. Access the transcripts. Scroll down until you see the option Show Transcripts. Click on it. The transcript will appear, usually at the right-hand side or just below the video. Toggle the timestamp visibility. In the transcript panel, locate the settings icon or the timestamp toggle, usually at the top right corner. You can choose whether to display the transcripts with or without timestamp. For this tutorial, we will toggle it off to display the transcripts without timestamp for easy copying. Copy the transcripts. Click and drag to highlight the entire transcript. Then right-click and choose Copy. Paste the transcripts. Open a word processing application such as Microsoft Word, Notepad, Google Docs, or any other preferred software. Right-click and choose one of the following paste options. Keep source formatting, merge formatting, keep text only. You can experiment with these options and choose the one that best suits your needs. Cite the source. Remember to credit the original creator of the content. Proper attributes helps maintain ethical standards and help you avoid plagiarism. Pro tip, always double check the transcripts for accuracy, especially if you are using it for research, study, or publication, and format it accordingly. TechTricksGh. Don't forget to subscribe. Your support motivates us to create more helpful content. After all, to whom much is given, much is expected. Thanks for watching.